Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. And what we can see here is the very high volatility, so almost 1.5% down for the day USD yen. We can see here that we had a rejection of declining 20-day moving average on the daily time frame, and a really strong momentum this morning. After the buying climax in the background last week, we had full absorption of that buying climax and strong supply for today. Seems like there is a chance for the retest of the 144.10 at least level here on the daily time frame, and then chance for the retest of the pin bar low at 141.75. So strong selling pressure on the USD yen and potential for the further drop. On the Bitcoin dollar, we can see we had an inside week last week. Hourly seems like there is a more chance for the downside, so I see potential for the further drop towards the 56,360 and even chance for the retest of the 51,500 and 50,000 mark. On the dollar index, we had a inside week last week, and so far we're breaking that inside week. So the next pivot level on dollar index is all the way down at 101 level and 100.70 level. On the gold market, we had an upside breakout. You can see on the weekly time frame and the close near the high. So now market is in the pullback. So buyers are in control, obviously, on the gold market, and there will be a chance for potential upside continuation. We might see maybe a down rotation or the consolidation day today, especially because it is Monday. But then there will be a chance for potential upside continuation. So far, just a pullback consolidation on the gold. On the crude oil, we had a rejection on the weekly time frame, and there is a chance for the downside continuation from my perspective. The next downside pivot level is set at the price of 73.37 mark. And on the NASDAQ 100, market traded very strongly last week, closed near the high. So this is important pivot to 90,570. If the market can hold and eventually break this pivot level here on the hourly and hold above this pivot level, in the next upside objective will be set at 19,900 level or 20,400 mark. That'll be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.